Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in the Woodoku game. To change the language setting on Woodoku, first of all launch open the Woodoku game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Once you're inside this settings menu, tap on the change button right next to language. Now, from the list of available languages displayed on the screen, select the language you want to change to. Once you do that, click continue, and then you will then be able to change the Woodoku in-game language setting. So that is how you successfully change the language in Woodoku. Now you can enjoy the game fully in the language that you understand the best. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.